So slight change here, I suppose. So there's the underlying roof framing. Get up a little bit closer. Suck some of the old insulation out there. The attic is full of insulation, which is no longer necessary because they did the spray foam on the rafters, the roof section. So this is really just kind of redundant, but to remove it would be a pain in the ass. So anyways, you got that member right there. That's fine. That's a corner right there. And joist, and I'm not really sure what's going on here. That's a piece of wood there. Nothing structural, I don't think. But and then there's joist there and there. And as you can see, it looks like the idea here was they sistered them up, and well, obviously to have something for the lath to adhere to right there. But the problem there is, so if I cut that, as I stated, if I cut that that plaster and everything there to get that lath out, then my sheetrock will really have nothing to adhere to except for right here. So it'll be kind of hanging right there. So that's not a good thing necessarily. Right now, I don't know where exactly. This one's kind of loose right here, a little bit. I went over there, it's a little bit more secure. So, but if I cut that out, that's probably where that sheetrock is attached. So there, it'd be kind of free hanging right there, and I don't know if that's a good idea. I mean, I'm gonna have to repair areas where the tape is exposed, or the brown part of the sheetrock is exposed. So may have to go back and do the hard way, at least here, unless I can. I mean, if that insulation wasn't up there, it would be easy. I could go in there and sister that joist right there, or whatever that is right there. I don't know if it's joist. It's pretty thick. Could be. But if I go in there and I sister that, I'll have an attachment place for the sheetrock right there. But even so, even if I sistered, it's right there on the edge. So, I don't know. We'll just have to see how it goes. Because I really don't want to remove this layer of sheetrock and just leave the plaster and then come back with the whole sheetrock. Of course, it's a short section, but then when you get into the other sections of the roof where you have to do that similar, then, and again, this is just a small section, so maybe not that big of a deal to do it here. Just remove all of the sheetrock and just be done with it. But I don't know. It's just, then you start getting into where the plaster may be kind of disturbed, and that's, again, not a good idea. So may have to go back with the old way. We'll just have to see. But in any case, now it's ready to put some couple 2x4s up here to put up this temporary wall. And then I'll leave the 2x4s up here in place, actually, for the permanent wall. And then, what will be temporary is the vertical members in here. Because, like I said, there's going to be a doorway somewhere in this wall, not in the existing or here. There's really not enough space here to put anything on either side. So